look on arithmetic operation which can be performed on pointers. How do we increment pointer? Okay, increment pointer means what is this actually? Then add an integer to a pointer using plus or plus equals to. Pointers may be subtracted from each other and operations meaningless unless performed on an array. Okay, so it is very important condition actually. This is necessary condition. It must use arrays. So I had already explained, I think, that how do we subtract pointers. So here this pointer variable is v pointer, which is pointing to this particular variable. Initially v pointer points to first element at location 3000, v pointer equals to 3000. Okay, so what are the things? Suppose here 72, 96, 87, 45, 93 is written. So just take a look. What is the value of V0? It is 72. Address of V0? It is 3000. Okay, and if pointer holds, okay, pointer holds the array, okay, VPTR holds the array, then this can be held like this. Fine, and both is having 3000. Then next assessment is, yeah. The next assessment is, suppose V pointer is pointing to this particular location. If we are going to use this V pointer plus equals to 2. So what is written? V pointer plus equals to 2. So this holds address actually. And this is a pointer to integer. Okay, this is a pointer to integer. And here the size of integer is 4 byte. We have declared integer pointer v pointer. Fine. Now we have also addressed v pointer equals to v. V is the array. Okay, so this is written. Or because why we are not going to use ampersand notation? Because array is also a kind of pointer, and you can say that this is linear pointer, consecutive storage pointer. Okay, so now we address this points to address, this particular thing points to address. So it will skip, it will jump to integer address. That is equals to 4 multiplied by, sorry, this is not correct. 2 multiplied by 4, because if I am writing 4, then this is a cross connection. So total 8 addresses it is skipping. So you can see that whenever we are doing this, it will set the pointer to 3008. Okay, it will set the pointer to 3008. The reason is very simple, because integer holds, the size of integer is 4 byte. Okay, and pointer is used to point the address. So this is initial address, so it will incremented in this way. You cannot increment like 3001, 3002. You cannot. If it is array of character, then only it is possible. Otherwise, with integer, it is not possible. So this is how the pointer arithmetic work for address pointing. V pointer points to V2 incremented by 2, but the machine has 4 byte integer, so points to address 3008. This is clear-cut explanation. Now come to subtracting pointer. So it is very important thing that also see if pointer points to 0th location. 0th array location. This is very important thing. Fine. So this returns a number of elements from one to other. If v pointer equals to 2 initially, and v pointer is now pointing to v pointer is v0. Okay. Two pointers we have assigned. How do we assign? Let us see. Integer pointer v pointer comma pointer v pointer 2. Here capital is written, so just don't confuse. Assume that I'm also writing capital letters. Okay. So the assignment is like v pointer is equals to address of. Now we use address of v0. Okay. And v pointer 2 equals to address of v2. Fine. Now it is exclusively we are pointing to that address. In previous slide, we have already seen that this is located at 3000 and this is located at 3008. Now, if we subtract this 3000 minus 3008, 3008 minus 3000, so what it will produce? It will produce 8? No, it will not produce 8. It will produce 2 because this will clear cut give us a skip of 2. Okay, 2 address skip. Fine. So this is very important thing. So this will not give us 8. Why? Because size of integer is 4 byte. So this must be equals to 8 divided by 2 will give you 2 address skip or difference of 2 address. Pointer comparison, whether pointer is less than equals to or greater than. See which pointer points to higher numbered array element. Also see if a pointer points to 0. Pointer expressions and pointer arithmetic, once again, pointer of the same type can be assigned to each other. Okay. So if not the same type, a cost operator must be used. So like type costing you have already seen when we use division equals to float A divided by B. So this is known as type casting. When we are calculating division of integer A and B. Okay. So this will give us float division. So this will give us, if we are not using this type casting, then it will give us answer in integer. If not the same type, then casting of operator must be used. Exception, pointer to void or type void asterisk. It is generic pointer represent any type. No casting needed to convert a pointer to void pointer. Okay, void pointer cannot be dereferenced because it is pointer to nothing. So why we are going to dereference then? Means you cannot write anything assigned to void pointer. Address of void is impossible. Fine. Arrays and pointers are closely related. Remember one thing, arrays are written like this. Arrays are written like this. This is A0, okay, A1 and so on. So whenever I am using A, it will give me address, starting address of array A. Okay. When I am pointing to address of address of AI, A0, this will also give me a starting address. Okay. But whenever I am using A0, it will give me content of location A0. Fine. So array name like constant pointer. It is constant pointer. Array name is pointer can do array subscripting operation. Declare an array B5 and pointer B pointer. So to set them equal to one another. So this is declaration of array actually. Okay, this is not fifth element of array. It is written like integer b5 to set them equal to one another. So what we need to write, b pointer equals to b, or you can also, okay, if I am pointing to address of b0, then this will point the first element. Yes, it is written like this. The array name b is actually the address of first element of array B5. So now B pointer equals to address of B0. Explicitly assign B pointer to address of first element. This will explicitly, okay, this will explicitly assign. Otherwise, both the answers are same. If we are printing printf B pointer, then and this printf also give us same address. Fine. Now, element B3 is returned, B5 is declared, like B5 is declared, or it is stored like 1, 9, 7, 8, 12. This is our B5. So, suppose user has entered something, can be accessed by star b pointer plus 3, where n is the first offset. N is the first offset. Call pointer offset notation b pointer 3. Okay, b pointer 3 will point to this address. So call pointer subscript notation same as b3 and b pointer 3. Yes, it is very important thing that whenever we are writing b pointer, it is address, but b pointer 3 will be equals to 8 and b3 will also be equals to 8. Can be accessed by performing pointer arithmetic on the array. So here you can also do this. So this is equivalent to b pointer and 3. Okay, both are the same thing. We can use like this, or yes, there is no problem. Array of pointers. Now, um, yes, this is one array of character. Okay, array of character. Actually, what it is written, if we are going to this is character equals to whatever written here. Both, because it is a pointer. Okay, so you can use single star, or you can also use double star for the same thing. Okay, you can use double star or single star, and you can use both the square brackets. So strings are pointer to first character. Strings are pointer to first character. Character pointer, each element of suit is pointer to character. Each element of this suit is a pointer to character. Only character pointer. Okay, character pointer. And then suit4 itself is another pointer. So there are two different pointers. The strings are not actually stored in the array suit. Only pointers to the strings are stored. Okay, pointers to the strings are stored. So here suit0, suit1 and suit2 and suit3 is written, and their corresponding strings are pointed by this pointer. Okay, so suit array has a fixed size, but a string can be of any size. Okay, string means whatever suit array is given. Okay, suit array is of fixed size, but the second element, if I am removing this star, then 4, 8 or something like this, whatever written is, that is not fixed. That is dynamic. Okay, so like hearts, you can write any number of characters here. card shuffling problem. This is our problem. There are different cards. 48 cards are shown here. Okay. So hearts, diamonds, clubs, and spades. And ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 likewise. So use array of pointer to string, use double scripted array, suit and face. So what is our suit? Suit is heart, diamond. These are the suit. I don't know. You know very well. And these are the faces. Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Because you are having the idea of playing cards. The number, okay, how many cards are there? 13 multiplied by 4. This is 4. And these are 13. Okay. So total 54 cards are there and their arrangements are very important. And here, if we arrange the card, so this particular thing shows that it is king of, this is not arranged well. I don't know whether numbering is correct or not. Okay, let us assume that these numberings are correct. I don't know. Fine, because queen is 11 and king is 12. Yes or no? No.
S- 13.
Okay. Fine. This is clearly written. Actually, this is just, I will show you. These many cards are there. Number one is known as ace, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then jack, queen, and king. Yes or no? This is location only, okay? These are the locations only. Don't bother about the numbers, whatever number is coming. So this number represent 1 to 52 go into array. What is the meaning of this particular place? So meaning of this particular place is deck, deck of card, and this is 1 and 4. Okay. So it says that one is what? Diamond. Okay. And it is uh, what is written here? 4 is 5. Yes. So this is 5. Diamond and 5. Fine. So likewise, you can arrange the card. Pseudocode is how do we shuffle the card. This card is normally arranged, okay, one after other. Shuffle and deal 52 cards. First refinement, initialize the suit array, initialize the face array. So it has already completed. Initialize the deck array. Shuffle the cards, deal 52 cards, and then second refinement, convert shuffle deck to for each of the 52 cards, place card in randomly selected unoccupied slot of deck. अब हम लोगों को ये रैंडम सिलेक्शन करना है और कहीं पर भी वो पहुंच सकता है. Convert deal 52 cards to for each of the 52 cards, find card number in deck array and print face and suit of the card. Third refinement, convert this, and many refinements are there. So here we have used constant character suit, heart, diamond, club, and spades, and constant character phase 13 is ace, deuce, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Fine. So this is our main array declared. This is our main array, and it is initialized to 0. First, what is our pseudocode said that have initialized the suit array, initialize the face array, and then initialize the deck array. Then what is written here? Randomized seed. Okay, this was previous problem. Time set to 0. Shuffle deck is a function which will shuffling the card, and deal deck dot face. It is not dot, it is comma. So now we will shuffle the card, and deal means I don't know what is the meaning of deal. What is the meaning of deal? Anyone? I think first card which we are picking. Okay. I don't know whether it is correct or not. But now come to shuffle function. So shuffle function will take the deck. So this is our deck. It is given to us. Fine. Integer row, integer column, and card. For card equals to 1 to card equals to 52 card plus plus. Row is now it will just generate the randomized seed. Row equals to random mod 4. What it will do? It will do any numbering from 0, 1 to 3. And column is similarly column you can say so 0 to 12. So this will shuffle all the card. This will shuffle all the card, or this will check all the card. It will automatically fill the randomized number, random numbers. Okay, random number over the blank array which we have passed. We have passed which array? What is the name of that array? W rack. Okay. So this will just fill the number. Just fill the number means just find that number, and this find suppose this may be 1 or this may be 13 12. Okay, so this will give us some random number, and it will uh, fill until the row and column is not equals to 0. After that deal will be done. This is completed. Now what is deal? So here deal function is used at previous step. Now W deck is available with whatever rows and columns. Okay, this is whatever card is coming. So this is shown there. So let us pick the card. So this will be the which card number this will maybe last card number. It depends on random number. Okay, we will see how do we implement this. Then this will be passed. Our array will be passed here, and the face and the suit. Okay, face and suit is another array. This is given in character. Okay, and this is written in integer. So it's is this particular place may hold some value, and this value, whatever value here is, it will show you the answer. Okay, so let us see. For integer card row equals row and column, for card equals to 153 and row equals to 0, it's this is no, there is no problem. And for column equals to 0, column is less than 12, and column plus plus. Okay. So card, how many cards are there? 52 cards are there. How many rows are there? 3 rows are there. How many columns are there? 13 columns. Actually 4 rows and 13 columns. Fine. So if W deck row and column equals to card, whatever value of card is there, okay. Yes. So whenever one call is, it will automatically disconnect the network. So now this game is very special. What it is going to print, just try to see. This will print the string and this will print one more string. Okay, -8. So this is right align and this is left align. And then, sorry, this is also right aligned and this is left aligned actually. And then %c is given. So this will print the face, this will print the suit, and this will print the whatever value is there. If it is new line, okay, if it is means a card mod 2, if it is 0, then it will enter the character. Otherwise, it will means like A, B, 1, 2. Likewise, it is printing or it will be entering to particular place. Fine. So the number 1 to 52 are randomly placed into deck of array. Fine. So this is the answer 6 of club. So what we have written here %5 of %s. So here you can see that 6 of club and so on. So let us see what will be the execution of this. So this is simple card game. Okay. So upon running this program, you will be able to understand what is given here. So this program is also very simple. So I'm going to add one source file. I think this screen is not visible to you. Now it is visible. So I'm adding one source file. And this is my source file. So this will be our example of card shuffling game. Initially, we start with initializing the suit face. This deck we need to fill. So let us build this project first. And each time the answer is different, okay? If I am running this program, all the 52 cards will be shown, but the answer. So initially it is not able to run the program. I don't know why. Now you can see that all the is 5, 8. This is the location of cards available. Means initially it will start from first card to 52 cards. Okay, let us see card number also. I think it is much better to write the program. Here I had printed string and row and column. So let me write person D, person D, person D, and this must be our row and column COLUMN comma row. So let us rebuild this solution. Yes. Okay. Fine. Is there any problem? Person D is written. Column and row is also written. So what is the problem here? Okay. Clean solution. Build the solution. Oh, yes. This is the problem. Now it is succeeded, and you can see that what are the different locations. Okay, so this will take some time because of pointers, and you can see that 1 0, then 12 1, 8 1. These are the random numbers. Okay, this random number we have put in previous problem. Okay, these are the sequences of 1 to 52 cards, but you can see in this particular function, how do we arrange the card? Okay, void shuffle. So this is shuffling of card. Actually, it has started from 0 1 0 2 likewise. Then you can see that these are the number shuffled by the program. Here we have shuffled random mod 4 for row and random mod 13 for column. So got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is a string taken by the system automatically from this place. Okay. And depending on the number, what is 5? Actually, what is 5? You can see that 5 is 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is 6. And then what is 2? 2 is 0, 1, 2 club. So here you can see that 5, 2 is 6 of club. Yes or no? Okay, you are
Yes,
not able
sir.
to see output also.
No,
I
no, sir.
think you
Output.
are not. दिख रहा है ब्लैक कलर का?
No, sir. अभी output आया नहीं, sir.
Yes. So that is very important thing because I had explained the
हाँ, sir.
entire
अब आ
thing.
गया.
Now you can see. So here you can see, suppose 12-3 is written. 12-3. What is the meaning of 12-3? This is 12. Okay. King is 12 and 3 is spades. So you can see that 12-3 where it is written king of spades. And if you calculate all the things, it will 53 in number.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me run once again this program. So this is the output. In previous iteration, it was 1, 0. Okay. Now it is 8, 2. If I am running once again, because it is totally dependent on what kind of random number from 1 to 53 is generated. So this is now in previous 0, 1 is coming, ace of diamond. Every time when I am running this program, press any key to close this window because a lot of pointer operations are there. That is why. And now once again, let us see. Okay. Card.exe has breakpoint. Sorry. So maybe due to this is community edition and this is practical purpose edition, there may be problem. Okay, we are having its executable file. Fine. So let us run that executable file. It is much better. Just double click on that executable file, program, then pointers are there inside this, and inside this card game, inside debug, and this card.exe. Okay, it is very fast. Name of program is card. So you can see this is our first execution, 510 is coming. Okay, once again, if I am executing this, so 00 is coming. So it totally depends on random number. Okay, totally depends on random number, and that is the game of card. So I am sending you this code for your analysis purpose, and you can run this code. And if you feel any problem, you can ask. Deal is the how the card is arranged. It is known as deal. So today I had pasted the slide also. I don't know whether this slide is available for you or not. No, it is not available. Let me try to resend this. So till that time, if it is executing this. Now, there is another thing that is pointer to a function. It contains the address of function, similar how array name is array of first element. Function name is starting address of code that defines the function. And function pointers can be passed to function, stored in arrays, and assigned to other function pointers. So how this is possible? How do we create function pointer? Just see this function, integer, sorry. This is very simple thing. Integer sum, integer a, integer return a plus b. Okay, this is the return somewhere else. In main program, what we can write, c equals to sum a comma b. It simply means that it is returning certain values. Okay, some value will be written by this function. That is why the function can become a pointer. So we will discuss all these things in maybe tomorrow. There is timetable of Thursday will be followed in tomorrow, na? Okay. So in Monday we will see this. Fine. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Shahoj? Tarun Yadav? So maybe Tarun Yadav is absent and all others are absent. Only Mahima is present, I think.
No, sir.
Present. We are present.
Present.
Yes, sir, we
Okay.
are present.
Yes, sir. We are present.
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
But Tarun is not present, na? Yes or no? Yes. So today I will fill his absent mark. Fine. So thank you very much, and just try to run your program using Mastering C by Venugopal. Okay. There are a lot of examples. If you are not able to understand any of the example, just forward it to me in WhatsApp. So thank you very much. Have a
Yes.
nice day. Have a nice time.